Hi, let's talk about engineering mechanics. Engineering mechanics is a specific field of study which is concerned with the forces on bodies, and not forces on human bodies, forces on just objects in general. Okay, so this is an umbrella term. We're not talking about car mechanics here. This is engineering mechanics. And this umbrella term includes fields of study such as fluid mechanics, mechanics of deformable bodies, and we will, in this class, be focused on two areas of engineering mechanics. We'll be talking about statics and dynamics. So let's break down both of these terms. Statics is a term, when we say static, we usually mean something's at rest or something's not moving. So what statics actually means is the sum of the forces are equal to 0. Okay? This actually includes cases where objects are moving at a constant velocity. All right? And the other field is dynamics. Dynamics, we think movement. So this is the field of study that talks about the sum of the forces are causing an object to accelerate. Okay? So those are two areas that we'll be covering in this course.